Good east positioning of the sun, everybody. The name is Blue Fang, and welcome back to another episode of Banjo Kazooie. Last time, we finished up everything there was to do in Grunty's lair. Oh. Well, yeah. We basically did everything there was to do in the game. We got all 900 notes, all 100 jiggies, all 24 empty honeycomb pieces, and we did it in just under 10 hours. We completed the collectible count. This time, let's move on to the finale. Welcome to Grunty's Furnace Fun. Or, as I'm gonna colloquially call it,
welcome all, Grunty's the name. Banjo's here to play my game. My lair is done, and here he stands. Through all my tricks and all my traps and lands, this final test will see me win. When Banjo fails, then I'll be thin. The prizes of this stand bring joy. From Tooty down to cuddly toy, my little quiz will make you sweat. And Tooty you shall never get, 'cause somewhere soon along the way, your lack of skill will make my day. 'Cause in the fiery pit you'll go, and I will win the prize on the show. So step on over to the square. Press A to try if you dare.
that's the first thing first. Well, we gotta head over to the game show.
So you see you're back to try one more time, but you will fry.
For every single square you step on,
A little answer's all I seek. About this game, you'll freak geek.
so yes, every square you step on is a challenge. And since I can't hear audio, I need to step in a square so that way I can get to the end without ever having to do an audio challenge. So let's start.
At Mumble's skull you made a stop. How many feathers were on the top?
4. Oh no, it's 3.
A fairless square and you'll feel pain. Please press A to try again. In Click-Clock Wood, I've no doubt. In which season is there a drought?
That's summer. I thought they meant feathers in like the little ring at the top of the skull, not the actual on top. That's 3 for the first one.
Square's your star fight.
So anyways, yes, Banjo Kazooie is a personal trivia.
A visual challenge, stupid bear. Tell me who it is or where.
This is visual, so I can do just fine.
Here's a character from the game. Do you know the dumb thing's name?
That's Trunker, right? I think it's Trunker. Yeah, Trunker.
Hear the crowd, they boo and hiss. To see you fail, they would not miss.
We gotta do Grunty.
The energy that you have found won't stop me making Tooty round. I think it's time, so let me see how much you know of little old me. 'Cause of all those spells I lend, whom at school was my best friend?
I think in this playthrough it was Sweaty Betty.
That's a secret. How did you know? Did my sister tell you so?
Anyways, trivia.
Above the sand you see it glide. In Gobi's Valley, what's the ride?
Magic carpet. And hey, looks like we're back at to full health, and it's
Prepare yourself to take a whack. Pick this test. You won't come back.
I think this is a mini game. Is it the Tip Tap Choir?
Watch as the turtles sing their song. Repeat it quick. You won't get it long.
Okay. Dark blue, light blue, yellow, dark blue, light blue, dark blue, purple. Dark blue, light blue, purple. What? Dark blue. What was it?
Get more wrong, yes?
Not Mr. Vile! Mumbo Magica Bear win nasty witch game.
This is tough. Your chances are slim of you eating more than him.
I'm aware. I'm well aware. No! Oh, come on. Come the fuck on! I can't even win when the game's making it easier on me. Mr. Vile? I can never win that game. Let's see what this is. The memory match.
The tiles await for you to match. Time is tight, but that's the catch.
That was the catch the first time, too. Nope. Okay. Banjo. No. No. Ah, come on. Honey block. Honey block. Mumbo. Egg. Red feather. Red feather. Banjo. Kazooie. Blue egg. Music note. You are Kazooie, so that means... No, wait, no. Crap. Kazooie. Kazooie. Music note. Music note. Mumbo. Mumbo. Banjo. Banjo. Yellow Jinjo. Yellow Jinjo. Blue egg. Come on, come on, come on. Does that count? Does that count? Yes, it should count. As much as I want to go for the visual question because they seem the easiest, that leads me to an audio question, which I can't do. So over to this path.
Treasure Troll's got Captain Blubber. What's wrong with that sobbing lubber?
He couldn't remember. He lost his gold. Another minigame. Is this just typing?
The name of your game you must spell. Backwards, though. Quick as well.
E I O O Z A. Where's K? Where's K? K. And another O. O J N A B. Another Grunty question.
Grunty's cute. She's quite a dame. What was my first boyfriend's name?
I think in this playthrough was Greasy Grant. Nope.
It keeps me safe and free from harm. What have I as a lucky charm?
A shrunken head? Nope.
Do you know and can you tell what on earth's my favorite smell?
Freshly... No! I meant to say freshly pressed boils! Oh. Well, I guess it was a good thing that I didn't say that.
Get this wrong for Grunty's sake, then a lava bath you will take.
Okay, this is death.
Spiral Mountain's got my face. How many molehills in this place?
There's one at the very beginning, 6 for all the moves, and 1 at the top, so 8. Yes!
You want to hear us, I can tell. In which band do I sing so well?
Grunty and the Mobster Mob. No.
I like a cuddle and a fight. What do I take to bed at night?
A huge sweaty baboon? Nope.
A newsstand is where I've been. What's my favorite magazine?
Big Butts and Guts. I remember king shaming. Yep.
In Rusty Bay, you act the clown. Which of these can't you slow down?
The Turning Cogs.
The crocodiles in Bubble Gloop Swamp. Give me the names of what they chomp.
Yumblies and Grumblies. Alright. Oh boy. Another timer-based game. The Tip Top Choir again. Purple, red, light blue, purple, red, pink, purple. I don't remember. Fuck. Purple, red, light blue, pink. No. Purple. I need to see it again. I can't see it again. Red. What the fuck was that? Oh boy.
Mighty big box, you must now fight. But be quick, as time is tight.
Am I allowed to use my eggs? There we go. Alright. I only recently learned that you could use the Wonder Wings on it because I've always just done what I did. I'll make a suspend point here, not gonna lie, dudes, because we are too far in for me to give up. there anyone else on the board that I can... No. Audio to get that. I have to do this without getting a single jack. Yeah, I don't get it to go to a single jack space so I can skip a panel. Well, here we go. It's time for another Grunty question.
We didn't wash. There was no pool. Where did I go to which school?
I think it was Cauldron College? Alright, that was right, because I didn't get hurt. I'm a cheat. We're too far in. Death question.
The walrus on Freezy Peak. What's his name that I now seek?
Oh, Waza. Fuck, was it OZA or AZA? I'm gonna try OZA. Haha, I was right!
Movies pyramid spills. What empties out the moat it fills?
Water. General trivia.
That monster mentions graveyard pots. What appeared from them there were lots.
A bunch of flowers. Holy crap.
Here's a character from the game. Do you know the dumb thing's name?
That's a yellow Jinjo. Jinjo! Here's another mini game. Oh no.
Little stings that make a bear shout. What? Whack them all before time runs out.
I can't use invincibility feathers this time. Crap! I died. Well, does dying make you start all over?
So I see you're back to try. One more time, but you will fry.
Yeah, no.
See the picture on my screen? Do you know where you have been?
Treasure trove? I only guess treasure trove was the blue water filter. Alright. Let's head over to the time trial. What is it this time? It's still the same game! Well, I'm doing better. But better wasn't good enough. Let's try this one more time. Mr. File! Come on. Yeah! Fuck off, Mr. Vile. Fuck off. Stay fucked. You are nothing more than a digital hexagon. I will live longer than you. No! Oh no! No! Fuck off, game! As soon as I talk my talk. Yeah! Suck my dick. Ugh! That's it. That panel is cleared. Time for a trivia question.
The rusty bucket is a tanker. What's stuck underneath its anchor?
A dumb dolphin.
Here's a chick character from the game. Do you know the dumb thing's name?
Alright, yeah. Oh, that's Captain Blubber. I'm not confident I can get this one right. Now, here we go. Folks, it's about that time.
I cannot lie, I tell the truth. What's hanging from my bedroom roof?
Rotting fish. That's it. Final question. Panel is dead.
Listen carefully to this tune. Which world is it from?
No! I can't hear it. Fuck. Eeny, meeny, miny. Well, it's not. It can't be. Gobi's Peak's not a world. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny. Gobi's Valley. Holy crap! I got it right.
No one can win, I was assured by the makers of this board. It's not fair, I want to swim. How I longed to be real thin. Now you can take the prize on show. While I up the winding stairs I go, you won't catch me, I made sure. All their credits you'll now enjoy.
Which prize shall we take, Kazooie?
Me! How about that Grunty ugly thing?
I think we should take Tootie.
That's what I meant!
Kazooie!
Please can we go home now, Banjo? I've had enough adventuring for one day!
Sure, let's get out of this dump.
Chief of Ideas, Greg's Grunty Mails. More ideas, George Blubber Andres.
Keyboard Tapper, Chris Knackers, Sutherland.
Deputy Keyboard Tapper, Woodton Buzzbomb, Broderson.
Oh, credits. Deputy Keyboard Tapper, Ball, Pink Clucker, Magic. Magic. Deputy Keyboard Tapper, Crime Snippet Smith. Keyboard Tapper, King Conga Colonel.
Keyboard Tapper, Rise Luckham Lewis. Other keyboard tapping, Mark Monsanto Wilson.
Chief Scribbler, Steve Dingpot Mails.
Cartoony bits and more scribbling, Ed Ginger O'Brien.
Sean Crayon or Steve Sandy Butt. Sandy Butt is his name? Did everyone have nicknames for his names? Voice catching John Napper Nash. Other doodly Chris Chop Up Hill. Big noise maker Grant Clanker Kirk. Big noise maker Grant Kirko. Chief free player who was a ward. Who was a ward? Rare free players: Steven, Sharpnell, Brand, Gareth, Groggy, Glover, Gavin, Grublin, Hood, Steve, Mr. Vile, Malbass, Adam, Muggy, Bruton, Sean, Soggy, Reed, Jammy, JC Williams, Andrew, Whiplash, Wilson, David, Cobble, Wobble, Wong. What the fuck? Noah free players: Todd, Big Butt, Belushi, Dougal, Croctus, Campbell, Kyle, Clink, Chinker, Carson, Brent, Boombox, Careerman, Sean, Erie, Egan, Bill, Gruntling, Geese, Tom, Tunker, Herzog, Michael, Klungo, Kilblock, Sarah, Snudbear, Osborne, Patrick T. He Taylor. Patrick T. He Taylor. Pepper Pusher, Simon Logo Farmer, Alien Tutti Oakpert. Spellbook Lay, Licky Loveday.
Strange noisemakers, Evelyn Twinklies, Isha Lee, Ripper Ray, Chris Lappa Sleeva.
Noah, big thanks, Kevin, Flip It Lob. The toilet got a line.
Big cheese thanks, Mr. Yamuchi, Mr. Mumbo Jumbo, Arakawa, Hara Mimbo Lincoln, Mr. Mumbo Fukada, Gail Naughty Tilden.
Bean counting, Joel Grubba Hawksburg.
Moving and shaking, Tim Tank Top Stamper. Copyright 1998 Nintendo Rare Ltd. Game by Rare, trademark, produced by Rare, presented by Nintendo. Hurry up and get us home, Banjo!
I'll go as fast as I can.
Hey, look over there! We missed a credit!
Got him. Are you happy now? Come on, you two. We're ready to party. Great. Great, I could do with a drink. Well, that was it. Oh, we still got more to go. Wait, that's an alive bird in the grill! What the fuck? Aaron Bird did good, helped Mumbo beat Witch. Yeah, but they needed my amazing moves to do it.
No way! Me and Banjo were the stars of this game.
I want to know what Banjo's trying to tell us.
What's the party for? Grunty got away, so get back up there and finish the job!
Oh shit.
I'm not going!
Oh, yes you are. Let's go. Banjo. I guess we're here. Well, as you can kind of see by the timer, next time on Banjo Kazooie, I guess we're tackling the final boss of the game. But until that time happens, please remember my name is Wu Fang, and I bid you all a good West Pacific English. Everybody, take care, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.